Hi, I'm Lauren from LSP Actions. In this quick tutorial overview, I'm going to give you a demo of the LSP Winter Kiss presets in Evoto. And I'm using these gorgeous tree farm images here by Anna Brand. So the idea of these presets is to turn your image into a winter scene. So let's dive in. If you are unsure about Evoto, how to use presets, how to get everything in, you can watch the main video tutorial overview #1. This is a demo, a kind of a watch me edit over my shoulder. So for this image, I'm going to open up Winter Kiss in the presets. We have the bases. The bases are less of a winter, they are wintry edits, but they're not like your full winter edit. So if you want a quick edit, you can choose the bases. But I want to go down to the full winter section, and I'm going to click on these and decide which one works best for this image. I mean, this is a complete winter edit. Very, very cold, very, very wintry for winter total. For that one, what I might do is scroll down to the people section, and I think we're just going to warm the people up a little bit here. Some of these are sliders. If you get the blue kind of slider underneath, you can slide the strength of this. So I'm just warming them up a little bit there. So there is one very, very wintry edit. And in the first tutorial, I showed you how to just load up your LSP snow overlay. So I'm just going to click one of these two. So there we have an extremely, extremely wintry edit. But let's go for something a little more realistic. So I'm just going to reset this one and let's start over. That's the great thing about Evoto. You can start with so many things. And because there are trees in this image, it's a tree farm, I'm going to click on one of the full winter scenes. Pine or farm. Let's see. Pine I like. That is a very wintry edit, and that's going to look really lovely with the snow included. I'm going to try winter farm. And that gives us a beautiful green look as well, which is really nice with tree farm because you want to keep the greens. So I think we'll go for that one. And I'm just going to warm the people up a little bit as well in the scene, but I'm going to take that down because we don't want them too warm for this scene. In the cloudy sky section, I'm going to go for, how about cloudy, see what this one looks like. Or winter farm. The farm ones are great if you do tree farm images. Before and after. Let's just adjust our snow a little bit so it fits with the sky, because sometimes with Evoto it's an AI program, so you've got to look out for little artifacts. But I think that looks lovely. So before and after, and you can see all the skin editing, the eyes, everything like that has been done for you, as well as all the colours balanced and boosted before and after. And another cool thing you can do, you can select all similar images in the gallery and you can hit sync. And what that's going to do is going to apply your editing to every picture that you've got loaded up. So this is just loading and our editing is going to snap into place. Just like that, can you see? Before and after, just with a couple of clicks of the LSP Winter Kiss presets in Evoto. You can grab these over on the LSP Actions website. Just going to brighten our subjects up just a little bit there. And you can click through and change these, and you can change anything. With these, the presets do not affect your exposure or white balance, so you can go in and change your own exposure and white balance, which I recommend doing. So here, for example, I'm just tweaking that a little bit. The first video tutorial takes you through all of this, before and after. Sometimes when you're using several overlays at once, for example, this, we're using a snow and a sky replacement, Evoto might sometimes get a little bit confused with certain areas. If that's the case, what you do on the background changer, you've added the snow, click the little pencil icon, and it's going to kind of show you where these discrepancies is. This is only if you've added a sky in. So I'm just going to go over on this, the little minus brush, and hit OK. And what that's going to do is just going to take it off that specific area. And we're all good before and after. beautiful tree farm image there by Anna Brandt using the LSP Winter Kiss presets in Evoto.ai. You can check out the other video tutorials for more tips of using these.